today's the day we're going to get this garden cleaned up, all the weeds out. Look at all the grass. Oh my gosh, not grass, but the dead plants. All right. Here we are so far. Making progress. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's about to rain. They got all the rain clouds. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the bench back in here, but it looks a lot clearer. More, you know what this is? A blank canvas. Like, oh, look at all the space for new plants. So I'm pretty much getting it ready for my fall planting. So most of these things I planted back in January. So it's been about 8 months. I'm going to wait a little bit more because we're still in August and it still gets pretty hot. So I think I won't get any fall plants until around late September, just to make sure the heat doesn't kill them too much. So it's going to be a bit low maintenance for now. So let me give you a highlight of all the plants that survived. So we all know the supertunias that I had here, because they weren't being fertilized every week or every other week, they didn't hold up too well. So what I'm doing, I'm actually doing a little experiment. I'm going to hold on to probably like these 3 here, and I'll keep you guys posted on them so you can see if they come back, because I think they're annual in zone 10 and above, but I'm in zone 9, so I'm going to test to see if they come back next year. I have a few left here still, so I may keep those, I may not. I'm going to put the hydrangeas here. So those were doing good. They're in pots. I'm going to get them in ground. They got the other hydrangeas. They did well as well. And these are the lemon coral sedum. As you can see, they did good. They did really good. Lemon coral serum. So, and those get a lot of sun. This is my coreopsis. They did good as well. And I forgot the name of this. It's azalea, my pink azaleas, I think it is. My limelight hydrangeas did not bloom. The ones in the woods, they have bloomed. My salvias, it's a deep ocean salvias, they're good. Here go one, it's a second variety, and another variety over there, the mystic spire salvia. Guys, I bought this I planted 3 years ago, so I didn't plant this. And you can see there's quite a few of them that came up because they weren't anchored to the ground, and I didn't realize it. So the rest of them, they actually got pulled out. So this one, I tried going around it so it doesn't get pulled out, but I didn't plant it. And there were like 8 of them. I even saw some in the woods. And after I planted, the thing is, this year, and I planted this 3 years ago, I haven't planted it since. This year is when I was researching them, it says they are what's that word? When they act like weeds, when they spread, whatever that word is, I can't think of it right now because I'm tired, guys. I've been doing all of this all morning. So they're invasive. That's the word. They're invasive variety. So they will spread and they will come back. So they're almost like weeds. I keep seeing popping up everywhere, and because I haven't been weeding, because I've been away, they have gotten a chance to flourish. So that's that. This one is my hibiscus. I think it had spider mites, and I'm not sure. I need to spray it. It's about to rain, so I'm going to spray it after it rains. So that didn't look too good, so I cut the top off. Not sure if that was a good idea or not, but I cut the damaged part off and I'll spray it. And here go my guys. I can't even think of any plant names right now. What is this plant name? Lobellaria. Oh my gosh. White Knight Lobellaria, and there's I think a Snow Princess as well. The ones in a container, I'm gonna be using that for my fall container, so I'm just holding on to those for now. So I didn't take them out, but I did take the annuals out. And there go some other ones in pots. I need to plant it. That's my butterfly bush. It does get big, so I'm still unsure where to plant it, so I'm holding on to it. I did cut this back a tiny bit. The bees are still working, so there's still a bit of a grass there. I didn't want to interrupt them, but it was super big. But it was actually on the ground, and it looked like it was getting a bit rotted because it was laying on the ground. So I didn't want to spread to the main plants. I just cut the part, that small branch that was sticking out. But they're still working, and I'm surprised they're still working because it's about to rain, and I know they can't fly in the rain. So I think they're finishing up their last of their work. Look at them. They definitely coined the term busy bee. So they are hard at work, guys. So that's that. And this one, it bloomed yesterday. This is my French vanilla hibiscus, and I have some roses over here. What's some over there? And my climbing rose, which needs to get pinned back. I got one. There's another one up here.